The Kia Sportage has built a reputation as one of the smartest values in the compact SUV class. Affordable, well-equipped, and backed by that famous 10-year powertrain warranty. Some model years deliver a decade of trouble-free driving. Others hide engine problems that can cost you thousands in repairs as the miles climb. In this video, we'll break down the best and worst Kia Sportage model years. We'll start with the years you should avoid and the specific problems behind them, then count down to the single best Kia Sportage model year you can buy today. Let's get started to the worst years. Coming in as the year to avoid first, the 2011 Kia Sportage. As the launch year of the third generation, it carried the classic first-year problems. Owners reported issues with the 2.0-liter turbocharged engine, including premature turbo failures and oil consumption that worsened with mileage. According to NHTSA complaint data, the 2011 model also drew attention for electrical gremlins and early transmission hesitation. Turbo replacement is particularly frustrating because it's a labor-intensive repair, a job that frequently runs well over $2,000 at a dealership. For a used buyer, this is the textbook example of avoiding a first model year vehicle. Number 2 at the next spot, the 2012 and 2013 model years. These continued the third generation's growing pains, and the bigger concern here is the 2.4-liter Theta 2 engine. Across Kia's lineup, this engine became the subject of major recall and warranty activity tied to bearing wear that in worst cases led to engine failure. According to multiple sources, affected owners reported knocking noises, stalling, and in some cases, complete engine replacement. While not every single unit is affected, the risk profile is high enough that these years require a documented service history and, ideally, proof of any recall work already completed before you buy. At number 3, now here's a year that surprises people, the 2017 Kia Sportage, the launch year of the fourth generation. While the fourth generation is the strongest overall, this first model year carried teething issues, including reports of engine-related concerns on the 2.4-liter and some early infotainment and electrical bugs. The lesson repeats itself. Even on a great generation, the first model year often hasn't worked out its kinks. If you want fourth-generation styling and safety, you're far better served waiting a few years into the run.
In number 4 on the best list, the 2016 Kia Sportage. As the final year of the third generation, the 2016 benefited from years of refinement. Many of the early bugs had been resolved, and buyers who choose the available 2.0-liter naturally aspirated engine rather than the turbo tend to report stronger long-term reliability. With a comfortable, well-built interior and one of the lowest used price points in this guide, the 2016 remains a popular choice for those looking for a dependable, affordable compact SUV. For budget shoppers, this is the smart end of the third generation. Coming in at number 3, the 2019 Kia Sportage. By this point, the fourth generation had matured beautifully. According to reliability data, the 2019 posted solid scores, and it pairs that dependability with standard features many buyers want: a responsive infotainment system, available all-wheel drive, and improved cabin materials. For those shopping used, the 2019 hits a sweet spot, modern enough to feel current, old enough to be affordable, and far enough into the generation to avoid first-year problems. At number 2, the 2020 Kia Sportage. This is where safety technology takes a real step forward. The 2020 brought expanded driver assistance features as standard or available equipment, and it earned strong crash test recognition from the IIHS during this period. According to J.D. Power and Consumer Reports data, the later fourth-generation years are consistently among the most reliable Kia Sportage years of the entire run. With high reliability ratings, a refined interior, and modern safety tech, the 2020 is an excellent choice for a family buyer who wants peace of mind without paying new car prices. And the #1 best Kia Sportage model year to buy, the 2021 to 2022 Sportage, the final years of the 4th generation. Here's why. These years represent the pinnacle of that generation's development. Nearly every early issue had been engineered out. According to multiple sources, the 2021 and 2022 model years are widely considered the most reliable Kia Sportage years of this generation, combining low repair frequency with the most complete standard feature set, full driver assistance suites, a polished interior, and that industry-leading 10-year, 100,000-mile powertrain warranty, much of which may still be active on a used purchase. When you analyze ownership data, repair trends, and long-term durability together, the 2021 to 2022 Sportage stands out as the best year to buy. It is the best used Kia Sportage you can get today, representing the pinnacle of the brand's commitment to durability, safety, and value. If you can find one with clean service records in the 30,000 to that low mid-20s used range, depending on trim and mileage, you're buying the strongest version of this SUV. So here's the bottom line. Avoid the 2011 through 2013 years and the first year 2017, where engine risk and launch bugs are highest. If you want value, the 2016 and 2019 deliver. And if you want the best Kia Sportage you can buy used, the 2021 to 2022 represents the strongest, most refined, and most reliable version of this SUV. Which Kia Sportage do you own, and how has it been for you? Your experience might help another buyer make the right choice. And if you're shopping other SUVs, check out our full Best and Worst series next.